あー、まずいですね。浮いちゃう浮いちゃう。
Heavy rains from approaching Typhoon Faxai have caused the Kikugawa River in Shizuoka Prefecture to overflow its banks, and a flood risk warning, equivalent to warning level 4, has been issued. The flood hazard level has been reached at the Kamo Reference Observation Station on the Kikugawa River, Kikugawa City, and if flooding occurs, there is a risk of flood damage in Kikugawa City and Kakegawa City. The approach of Typhoon No. 15 brought heavy rains to Shizuoka Prefecture, and linear rain bands were also analyzed. At the Kikugawa Makinohara Amenities Station, 127.0 millimeters of rainfall was recorded in the hour to 1:15 p.m. Despite being a rain-prone area, this is the highest rainfall recorded since 1978. Although most of the active rain clouds have left the Kikugawa River basin, river levels continue to rise even after the rain subsides. The surrounding area is not only at risk of flooding from heavy rains, but also landslides. Those living in landslide-prone areas, such as near cliffs or rivers, are advised to evacuate early and pay close attention to evacuation advisories and other information issued by their respective municipal governments. Typhoon Paper made landfall again in northern Wakayama Prefecture around 9 o'clock a.m. on Friday, September 5th. Active rain clouds spread eastward from the typhoon, and the center of heavy rainfall shifted from Tokai to Kanto. A warning is advised for heavy rainfall in Tokai until the afternoon and in Kanto until the evening. The typhoon made landfall in Sakuma City, Kochi Prefecture around 1 o'clock a.m. today, then moved along the Pacific coast of Shikoku, exiting the Kii Strait and making landfall again in northern Wakayama Prefecture around 9 o'clock a.m. The typhoon is expected to cross the Kii Peninsula and move eastward along the Pacific coast from Tokai to Kanto in the afternoon. The typhoon is expected to move away from the eastern seas tomorrow morning, Saturday the 6th, and become an extratropical depression. This typhoon is characterized by the formation of rain clouds over a wide area east of its center. Southerly winds strengthen between the typhoon and the Pacific high-pressure system, and rain clouds form due to the continuous supply of moist air. Heavy rain rates of over 30 millimeters per hour fell in parts of the Tokai and Kanto regions. The 24-hour rainfall as of 9:30 am reached 220.0 millimeters in Oise City, Mie Prefecture, 201.5 millimeters in Aizu City and Mount Amagi, Shizuoka Prefecture, and 160.5 millimeters in Yamakita City and Lake Tanzawa, Kakegawa Prefecture. Even in the Tohoku region, far from the typhoon, rain intensified due to the influence of the front, with 24-hour rainfall of 177.0 millimeters recorded in Ishinomaki City and Ogatsu, Miyagi Prefecture. Heavy rain with an average rainfall rate exceeding 50 millimeters per hour is expected in parts of the Tokai region in the afternoon and in the Kanto region in the evening, with further increases in rainfall. Be aware of landslides, flooding in low-lying areas, and sudden overflow of urban rivers. The Kyushu, Shikoku, and Kinki regions, which have already experienced significant rainfall, should also be on alert for landslides for some time to come. The Japan Meteorological Agency, JMA, has issued a weather report stating there is a possibility of the formation of a linear rain band in the Tokai, Kanto Koshin, and Tohoku regions, and the risk of heavy rain disasters will increase significantly. If a linear rain band forms, very heavy rain could last for several hours, potentially resulting in heavier rainfall than expected. Even if a linear rain band does not form, rainfall can accumulate and become heavy, so do not rely solely on information about linear rain bands. Instead, follow evacuation information and take appropriate action. This is the first typhoon to form this month, 5 days after Typhoon Faxai, which formed on Saturday, August 30th. The average number of typhoons forming in September is 5.0, making it the second busiest time of the year after August. Meanwhile, September is the month with the highest average number of typhoons making landfall, and also the month with the highest number of typhoons approaching land. Is usually the peak typhoon season for the surrounding Honshu region, so be sure to prepare for typhoons and heavy rain. Typhoon Papier, 15, is spreading its rain clouds over the Kanto region, and rain is reaching its peak. Heavy rain of more than 50 millimeters per hour has been observed in Yokohama and other areas. Heavy rain warnings have been issued for Tokyo and other areas. Typhoon No, 15 is strengthened slightly this afternoon due to the influence of a low-pressure trough above it. The typhoon is moving eastward at 55 kilometers/, and active rain clouds are spreading over the Kanto region.
まずいですね。浮いちゃう。